Guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you're welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your peanut butter at home in the comfort of your home. Keep watching. Making a peanut butter, guys, it does not really require so much. So this is the roasted peanuts with salt that I'm going to be using. Help me to share the video. I believe it will be helpful to you and your loved ones. So the next thing, guys, I will start by blending these peanuts. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all. You guys are wonderful, amazing. May our God, our Heavenly Father, bless you all abundantly, grant you every of your needs, your desire. May our Father announce you where you cannot announce yourself in the name of Jesus. And if you are new on this channel or today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead. Be a part of this humble family by subscribing, turn the notification bell so that whenever we upload, you'll be first to be notified. This channel, we do a whole lot of things. We are into cooking, into baking, just name it. Into Nigeria dishes, continental dishes. If you can name it, consider it done. Guys, help me to share this video in all your platform. Let it circulate. Guys, when you are blending your peanut butter, your blender might be smaller than this or bigger than this. In case if your hole is smaller than this, it doesn't really matter, guys. It's just for you to repeat this process. And if you see that your blender is hot, allow it to cool down for a while, and you can empty it, take it straight to the fridge so that it can cool down fast. Repeat this until your peanuts become smooth and perfect. And depends on how you want to see your peanut butter, guys. There is a smooth peanut butter and there is a crunchy peanut butter. So if you want it crunchy, once you see that the texture is okay in your hand, guys, you can stop. But if you want a perfect smooth peanut butter, blend until you are satisfied. Just like what I am doing, I will blend and I will pause the blender in order for me not to damage the blender. That is the only way your blender can last for you for many years. So guys, the only thing I'm adding again, just a pinch of salt, because the peanut is roasted with salt already. So I'll gather the edges. I'll keep blending. At this point, this peanut have started releasing the oils. It's no longer solid like how it was from the beginning. It's not getting light. And at the ends of this peanut, guys, if you see it's watering, which is normal. Once you through blending your peanut, you see it's watery, you can take it straight to the fridge for some minutes. It will become solid. So at this point, it's so crunchy, you can leave it at this point or you can blend more. But in my case, I want this peanut to be perfectly smooth. I will keep blending. So at the ends of it, guys, you can enjoy it with a slice of bread or any kinds of bread, or you can also enjoy it with garden egg, anyhow you desire mushing it. And I believe this at the ends of this video, you might not buy peanut butter out there again. Guys, it is good you know what you are taking in straight to your stomach, especially when you prepare it or you made it at home yourself. If this video is helpful to you or you have learned anything from this video, guys, please go ahead, share the video, help me to like the video, leave your comment below, and if there is any question, feel free to ask. Remember, we are one family. I love you all. See you soon again. in another satisfying video. Watch to the end and we are almost done. Bye bye.